Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace and reset a drum and a Brother HL-5240 printer. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open the front access door. You're going to pull out and remove the toner and the drum. On the side of the drum there's going to be a little blue tab. You're going to push on that little blue tab and lift and pull the toner out of the drum. Now we can set that drum aside. We're going to get our new Onyx brand drum here. Outside of every drum there are written instructions on how to replace the drum. So now we have our new drum. All we have to do is put our toner back into the brand new drum. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Then there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to grab that little blue tab and you're going to slide it back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends at the same spot that you started. There'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Now we're going to replace the toner and drum back inside the printer. Make sure it clicks all the way back into place. And we're going to leave the front door open. I'm going to reach over and we're going to push and hold down the go button until all the LED lights light up. It takes about 4 seconds. Once they all light up, you can let go of the go button, close the access door, and you're good to go. Thank you very much.